How you can create infinix id. You can say this, log into infinix id, how you can create it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First you have to open the settings app. You can see log into infinix id, enjoy cloud services. First you have to enter, you have to just tick this, I have read and agreed to the user agreement privacy policy, and you have to click on Google. If you have phone, then click on phone number and email, or you can just simply log into Google and you have to just click on the Gmail ID, and it is verifying your account. It takes hardly 1 to 2 seconds, and friends, you can see the infinix id is completed successfully. You can see security information is not completed. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.